Let's go, let's rock and roll. Hey, come on, let's get the show on the road. Good morning, peeps. We are out in the streets, getting ready to check out some of the Christmas markets. Few castles, you know, regular day in London. So we're just waiting on the bus. We're gonna head out.
Trains to Terminal 4 and 5 back to London.
This Serrano spiced plum cider with amaretto. That sounds fancy. That is what I'm getting. What are you getting?
The jury's still out.
It is good. We're out of the cider, so we got the mulled wine, which is good. It's very good. I may have to try to recreate this at home. So we are at Christmas market number 2. I'm not going to say the name because I will butcher it horribly, and I have way too much respect for that. So, look at all of this. Look how beautiful. In the center of it all. It looks so nice down here. Since being in London, I have a fond appreciation for the taxis. I think every picture I got is a taxi and the bus. So I just found myself sitting by the street looking at them. You can see just about every market has like the same thing. The mini pancakes, hot chocolate, fudge, everything smelled so good. We literally just walked through and just wanted to look at all the markets, the clothes, the scarves, everything was so cute. You guys, I'm in heaven. Tea heaven. I'm such a tea connoisseur. This place has the best tea in the world. Yes. And indeed they did. They did have a hefty price tag, but I got to try some of them on. Look at all these teas. Okay, so from the TWG Tea Company, we left there and went to the M&M store, where the plan was to get some M&Ms for family, but I ate them all. So forgive me.
From the M&M store, it was a short walk to Chinatown where we went and hung out there. We looked at all the lanterns, maybe a 5-10 minute photo shoot for each of us. We then decided to get an early dinner. And then from there, it started to rain. So at this point, we're going to end the vlog because there wasn't much to see. My daughter was tired and wanted to go to sleep, so we just ran through the rain. I might have ran over a few ankles with the tram, as they call it, or the stroller. And yeah, hopefully you come back with us as we do day 2 in London next week.